rural area. This is a small forest we have. This is our cow. This is their food. This is our land. I've grown maize. This is my older house. This is my mother's house. Rayo. Hii jamaa amekuwa kubwa. Hii inatoka msabibi kweli hiyo mti.
Juna toka hapo. Toka.
Jini amepanda ng'ombe. Rural area. Water fruits, eh? This is a small forest. This is why I support a tree. Okay. Why I support a tree? It produces very nice fruits, very sweet. The fruits are sugary. Why I support a tree? This is the kind of fruits it produces. This fruit, very sugary. Okay. A nice one. Sisi tunajienjoy. Yote sisi ndio hawa. Wale watu wako mbali. This tree why I support a tree, fruit tree. This small here at home. This is our smallest tree. This is a fruit tree. That's a mango. That is vine tree. Vine tree. That is guava tree there. It is over 40 years. That is Abigail.